Hi guys, we arrived here at a new room for us to stay for like 3 or 4 days. And this is in Regina. This is a very nice building. It's an old building with different kinds of the elevator, and this is what we can see in this suite. So they have these amenities here. Oh, the stove. And this is the kitchen. It's not a big kitchen. It's kind of condominium. Condo. And they have the fridge here. Big one. And this is like the living room. And Gia is there. And hi Gia. I like the view over there. And this is the door. And this is the living room. And he has there the TV, a big one. And it has also AC here. And I have here the table for my streaming.
No dinner.
And at the same time for dining table, dining for tea.
Dining.
Yes, a little table there, a dwarf table. And let us check the bedroom.
Look at this beautiful.
Oh, I'll show you this one.
See?
Look at that design for the table for the TV. And then I'll show you the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Who is talking there? And this is the bedroom. I hope I can sleep well. I think it's a good one. And then this is, we have here a closet. The closet, just a small closet, good for 1 or 2. And then let's check the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Where is the light for this bathroom? Why it's dark? Where is the light? I don't know where to turn on the light. Oh, there. There is the bathroom with a towel and toilet bowl. And this is this is the shower. Shower. Oh, the shower is just very small. Where is the shower? Ah, it's down there. I was looking for the shower. Oh, it's down here. I thought, where is that one? You have to hang it up there. Okay, this is the one in the tub. And that's it. So this is our like temporary house for a few days while we're staying here. And this building is really an old building, but it's really nice outside. I'll try to show you part of the outside of this building. Later I will show you the elevator. It's really nice, a very old one, like antique.
It's a very old building, just like in the days of Al Capone.
This is our room, and I'll show you the hallway. Look at that. I will just show you around. This is a very nice one. It's like a hotel. From there. And that is the elevator. And it's very unique. I just show you the door. I know the thing that you have to touch. Look at that. See, it's not like the other. It's not like the modern elevator and look at the instruction here. And when we will use the elevator, I will take a video for that to show you how nice it is. Like it has bars inside, and it's really different than the modern ones. I like, but it's on the third floor. I don't like to climb here with the things. But anyway, we book it already. So, this will be our temporary house for a few days. So, away from home. But I like that view. Do you like it? Just write a comment there below if you like that view. See, it's nice. It's like a real one, like an old bridge, right? Okay, that's all for today. I will give you an update when we climb down, when we go inside that elevator, and I will show you the hallway, the lobby. It's really like the style of the old buildings, like ancient buildings. This is a very big building. Okay, that's it.